Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we will see how we can add our categories in Manage Asset Categories task. Click on your username, click on Setup and Maintenance. Now, under functional areas, click on Fixed Assets. Open the task called Manage Asset Categories. Here click on Create. Under Major Category, select your major category, ERPZEN Furniture. Under Minor Category, select your chairs. And add your asset book over here. Click on plus icon. Now select your asset book, ERPZEN corporate book, and here you can say asset cost account. You have to set all these accounts, like say the account is furniture and fixtures, and asset clearing account. This account is having a significant value because whenever we are doing any mass additions, then this account comes into picture. Asset clearing, yeah. Click on OK. Say depreciation expense, take depreciation expense account. Click on search, or else we'll take any expense account. We'll take this account. We'll take depreciation reserve. I want to go with the same account. I don't want to. Click on save. Click on default rules. Click on add. Click on depreciation method. I want to go with the straight line method. STL straight line method. Say my asset life is 60 years, month 0, prorate convention and retirement convention. Now click on save and close. Click on done. That's it for today's video. If you like the video, please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video.